All right, everyone. Thanks for joining on in tonight. We do have a couple more openings: the Titans, Texans, Browns, Giants, Saints, and the Panthers. Feel free to throw us an offer on those. We'll give everyone a couple more minutes to snag one of those teams or make an offer, and we'll get started shortly. Thanks for joining us here tonight. Baseball breaks. Once again, everyone, our openings tonight are the Titans, Texans, Browns, Giants, Saints, and the Panthers. Titans have sold. Saints have sold. Texans have sold. Put tonight's openings here in the chat. right, everyone. Give everyone 3 more minutes for the Browns, Giants, and the Panthers. Make an offer. I will probably accept it. Giants for 5. I'll take it. Make an offer. eBay Greer717. Search Giants or select. Throw that offer in there. I'll accept it. Get you paid up. JB, if you want to make that offer there. Giants, only team left on eBay that I can find. Let me look into that real quick. I see all 3 of those listed on my page there. Any left? Yes, we have the Browns, the Giants, and the Panthers. eBay Greer717. Give everyone a couple more minutes. Giants, Browns, and the Panthers. A few more, then we will get started. I'll take those down if we have to. Make me a real cheap offer. I will take it. eBay Greer717. The Giants have sold. We are down to the Panthers and the Browns. All right, 2 minutes. Giants, Browns. If you want them, or I'll take it down and we'll get going here. $2 or $3. Make me an offer. And from my side, it shows me all of them listed there. I will click seller and newest listings. Maybe search select, if that would help. Because if I go to my all listings on eBay, I saw all of them up there. Browns and the Panthers have sold. Waiting on a quick payment, and then we will get started. Matt, if we get the Panthers paid up, there we go. All right, let's do it. Yep, they are all sold. All right, thank you for joining Baseball Breaks on your Saturday night post-NFL draft, getting ready for our next NFL season. We got our last big product here of the 2020 line as we look forward to our 2021 Prism draft picks coming out here soon. We got our select blasters tonight. We got 4 of them. 24 cards each, lots of those exclusive die cuts, and as we all know, these are loaded with the rookies. Thank you for joining Baseball Breaks tonight. Let's do it. We got Ron A. with the Buccaneers, David L. with the Bears, Brad M. with the Lions, Stephanie H. with the Packers, Michael M. with the Vikings, Melissa B. with the Cardinals and the Giants, Matt G. with the 49ers, Titans, Texans, Saints, and the Panthers. Thanks for helping filling us out there, Matt. Christopher S. with the Cowboys and the Falcons, Robert P. with the Eagles, Cassidy P. with the Bills, Michael D. with the Dolphins, Justin B. with the Patriots, Jeffrey B. with the Jets, Brady J. with the Broncos and the Ravens, Zachary D. with the Bengals, Nick J. with the Colts, Colton F. with the Jaguars, Travis P. with the Rams, Philip W. with Washington, the Raiders, and the Steelers, Jesse G. with the Chiefs and the Chargers, Matt H. with the Seahawks, and Zachary A. with the Browns. All right, everybody, let me know in the comments, what are you looking for tonight for Blasters? What are you looking for? Select 2020. What do you want me to pull? As we get into box number 1. 6 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Standard stuff there. Same as you'd see in Prism. Optic. Here we go. Select retail, first year. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Brandon Ayuk. All right, let's see if we can get any Brandon Ayuk there. Brady die cut. That'd be pretty sweet. Rooney. Let's see if we can get you covered tonight. All right, here we go. Pack number 1 of the night. CeeDee Lamb. All right, Dallas City cards. Here we go. Pack number 1 started off with some Tua Tagovailoa base rookie card. There we go. Tua base rookie to start off the night. That is our concourse level, but there we go. Base Tua. Good start for the Dolphins. Michael D. There we go. Kyler Murray parallels. All right, see if we can find some of those. Got the Tua base rookie to lead off the night. After that, we have an orange die cut field level Antoine Winfield Jr. He has a rookie card there going out to the Buccaneers, Super Bowl champions already. Kirk Cousins is a blue die cut. There we go. And Zach Moss is a premier rookie. There we go. Here we go in pack number 2. Lamar Jackson, Michael Pittman Jr. That is a field level. There we go. field level Pittman. And ooh, turbocharged Tom Brady. Turbocharged Tom Brady insert. Nice card. And DeMarcus Lawrence. That is a club level DeMarcus Lawrence. Justin Jefferson, club level rookie. Or, excuse me, concourse there. Justin Jefferson. Joe Montana. Quinez Cephas, Lions. That is a field or a club level die cut. And Kalavion Chaseon is a premier level base rookie there. Nice to see Justin Jefferson. That is through 3 packs. 3 packs to go here in box number 1. Ryan Tannehill. Barry Sanders die cut there. Club level die cut. Hot Stars Russell Wilson. And premier level Jalen Hurts. There we go. Eagles did not draft a quarterback in the early rounds. Looking like they're sticking with Jalen there. Drafted him some help. See how it's going up in Philadelphia next year. Premier level Jalen Hurts going out to the Eagles tonight. Ben DiNucci, concourse. Here we go. We got a silver is Anthony McFarland Jr. is a club level silver. After that, we have an Antonio Gibson premier level blue die cut. There we go. Another rookie die cut. And AJ Espenza with the club level there. And our final pack of box number 1. CeeDee Lamb, base rookie card. There you go. Drew Brees. Aaron Rodgers, the hot topic of the world. And Dak Prescott. Of course, Aaron Rodgers requesting a trade there right before the draft. Shook up everything Thursday night. Here we go. Where do you think Rodgers is going to end up? Let us know in the comments. Is he actually going to retire? Still be in Green Bay? Or is he going to get the trade he wants? Here we go. Box number 2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Pack number 1, box number 2 of the night. Troy Polamalu. J.K. Dobbins, field level. Hot Stars, Michael Thomas. Club level is David Johnson. End up on Jeopardy. There we go. It's a good guess. Tyler Johnson, A.J. Brown. Blue premier level die cut, Ross Blacklock, Houston Texans. And Chaseon again with the premier level base rookie. 3rd pack, 2nd box. Let's see what it's got. T. Higgins base card. Henry Ruggs premier orange die cut. There we go. Unbreakable Kurt Warner. And another field level Jalen Hurts base card there. That's 2 Jalens in a row. Not bad at all. 2 boxes, 2 Jalens. Good night for the Eagles. Three packs to go here. Zeke Elliott. Silver is A.J. Brown. Ooh, CeeDee Lamb die cut. There we go. There's a nice one. That is a concourse level blue die cut. CeeDee Lamb. Going out to the Cowboys. Christopher S. There we go. Blue die cut CeeDee Lamb. That is a nice pull. And Antonio Gandy Golden with the club level rookie. 2 packs to go. Jalen Reagor, club, or concourse. Nick Chubb, Laviska Shenault, select certified insert. And Dak Prescott, premier. There you go, got your CeeDee Lamb there. Dallas City Cards. Here we go, Antonio Gandy Golden. And another Antonio Gandy Golden, that is a die cut. As a club, as a concourse, die cut there. Julio Jones, die cut. And Brandon Ayuk. Brandon Ayuk, premier level. Going on to the 49ers, Matt G. Going home with your Brandon Ayuk. It is a premier level. There you go. There you go. And that is it for box number 2. We're only halfway done. Using up all the top loaders here. We're halfway done. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me know, who do you think won the draft? How'd your team do? There you go, base Tom Brady concourse. And after that, Brandon Ayuk autograph. There we go. Going out. Brandon Ayuk auto. There we go. The select auto going out to the 49ers, Matt G. There you go. Last pack you got the base card, and now you got the auto. Brandon Ayuk select auto. There you go. What a card. What a card. Brandon Ayuk getting the select auto. That'll be our pull of the night so far. Miami did do good in the draft. I like reuniting Tua with Jalen Waddle for sure. J.K. Dobbins. There you go. The premier level. Red, white, and blue there. Brandon Ayuk auto. Wow. And Christian McCaffrey. Zeke Elliott, green field level McCaffrey die cut. Lamar Jackson, Chase Young, premier. Jalen Reagor, Derek Brown for the Panthers. Michael Pierre. This is a club level die cut. Thanks for joining us tonight, Matt. Asked for the Ayuk and got the base card and the auto. Having quite a night, and we're not done. And then we got a club level that is J.K. Dobbins as well. 3 packs to go. Box number 3. Baseball breaks May 1st. It's already May. Nick Chubb base. Gandy Golden rookie. Lawrence Taylor and Larry Fitzgerald. Thinking Larry's going to retire down here in Arizona. That's what we're hearing. Who knows? Juju. Odell Beckham Jr. is a die cut. There we go. Ooh, and the die cut Justin Jefferson. There we go. Red, white, and blue. Concourse. Die cut. Justin Jefferson going out to the Minnesota Vikings, of course. There's a sweet card. Joshua Kelly for the Chargers. Joe Reed, Chargers rookie. Joe Burrow, field level. There we go. Field level, Joey B. There's a hit. Going out to the Bengals. Joey B, field level. There we go. First time we've called his name all night. Took until box 3. Joe Burrow, field level. Going out to the Bengals. There we go. There we go. Joey B, field level rookie. Zachary D with the Bengals tonight. Field level Joe Burrow. There we go. Keep it moving. After that, we have Jordan Love. Insert there in Brian Edwards club level. Here we go. Had Joey B in an auto in that box. That one was loaded. Here we go. Final box of the night. Baseball breaks. Once again, thanks for joining us, and keep up on the eBay page. We'll be having some more selects going Monday night, and some more going all throughout next week as well. And tonight we got one more blaster. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Adam Thielen, Taysom Hill, running the show down in New Orleans now as field level. Tyreek Hill turbocharge. Cole Kmet is the premier level. This pack is a little stubborn here. There we go. See what it's got for us. Hard to open. Van Jefferson for the Rams. Jedrick Willis, it's a rookie. That is a silver. It's a concourse level silver. KJ Hamler. There we go. KJ Hamler is a die cut there. And another Jalen Hurts club level. 2 premieres in the club level for Jalen tonight. Lining up to be a pretty good night for the Eagles. 2 Jalen's. Got a couple packs to go. Troy Polamalu, Tyler Johnson, it's concourse rookie. Khalil Mack for the Bears. And Brett Favre premier level. We got 3 packs to go here in our 4th and final box. A.J. Brown, Isaiah Cutler is our premier level die cut rookie. And Tyler Johnson. And Tommy Stevens, the premier rookie for the New Orleans Saints. Back up our man Taysom Hill next year down there. Here we go, 2 packs. See if we get a last pack magic. Get a little something out of these last ones. Another concourse Tom Brady. Van Jefferson's field level, there's a nice one. Jerry Rice, unbreakable. And Khalil Mack for the Bears. So 3rd bear of the night for you there, Robert. And here we go. Final pack of the night. Let's see what we got. It's been pretty hot all day. See if we can end it. Some fire. Zeke Elliott, Jalen Reagor, Khalil Mack die cut, and the last card of the night, Joey Burrow. There we go. There we go. Premier level Burrow. Way to end it. Way to end it. That's our 2nd Joey B of the night. 2nds of the night. 1 premier and 1 field. Here we go. We had a pair of base Tom Brady's there. Select certified inserts. We had Jordan Love and Laviska Shenault. Veteran die cuts. We had quite a few. Barry Sanders, Taysom Hill, Christian McCaffrey, and Julio Jones. All of our base rookie cards out of 4 blasters. Just 4 blasters. And we had all that for base rookie cards. That's select for you. Tommy Stevens, Tyler Johnson, Van Jefferson, Cole Kmet, Brian Edwards, Joe Reed, Joshua Kelly, Gandy Golden, Reagor, Brown, Dobbins, Young, Golden, Ayuk, Danucci, Reagor, Gandy Golden, Chase Young, Johnson, J.K. Dobbins, that's the field, Espenza, Chase Young, Michael Pittman Jr., field level, and Zach Moss. We also had a Van Jefferson field level there. We have turbocharged Tyreek Hill and turbocharged Tom Brady. Rookie silvers, we had Jedrick Willis and Anthony McFarland. Rookie cards, die cuts, Henry Ruggs, Isaiah Coutler, KJ Hamler, LaMichael Pierre, J.K. Dobbins, Gandy Golden, Tyler Johnson, Ross Blacklock, Gibson, Cephas, and a field level, Antoine Winfield Jr. And for our big cards of the Knights, we had a base, Justin Jefferson, CeeDee Lamb, Tua, one Premier, one Club, and one another Premier for Jalen. Justin Jefferson, we had the red, white, and blue die cut there. CeeDee Lamb, we had the blue die cut. We had the Brandon Ayuk auto. That was a nice one. And we had our Premier, Joey B. And our card of the night is going to be our field level Joe Burrow. That's what we got for you, Baseball Breaks, on a Saturday night out of 4 select blasters. Be sure to keep up with the eBay page. We'll have some more selects coming at you here in a couple days. Drop us a follow on the Instagram. Thank you all for joining us tonight. And hope you had some fun. I sure did. And see you next time.